All right, man. It's Friday. February 23rd. Right there. Let me try this thing out. Tested this on the street. See how it goes. Sounds good. Sounds good so far. Before I do anything, we're gonna get the GPS XRT hooked up. So we're gonna wait for XRT to catch all the satellites and everything. Matter of fact, here it is on the phone. Here. Usually takes a few minutes. So we're not gonna go full out, but we'll test it up and down the street here, and then we'll do a pull from that end down to here and just see how it controls. If it starts to wheelie, obviously I'm not gonna be putting the throttle in that high. All right, so we got 11 here, so turn this off and just test this out. All right, not bad, man. Sounds good, rolls smooth. Not bad. It pulls to the right. We'll fix that. This trigger is sensitive. Get some of the fluid moving in there. Got a good brake. I did adjust the brake and the throttle. So let's see here. See, it says it goes to the right. Let's bring it back to the left. Transmit low power. Oh, that's not good. Alright. So we're gonna have to stop this video for a second because you got transmit low power on here, which means I need to turn off this here. So, all right, we're gonna start the video back up in a second.